me, the street riding is just, I can just relax and kind of forget about things, just enjoy what's going around me, enjoy the flow of the ground. But I think racing made me a better rider because I've got more spare change. I don't use every cent when I'm riding on the train, so I've got time to react. That's really, why I build bikes. I really build bikes because I want to give a better ride. I want to give people that experience because I love riding motorcycles, and I've just tried to make, a better motorcycle for that riding experience. I love sport bikes because, not so much for the speed, although it's fun once in a while. But what I really like about sport bikes is bikes that are very light and have super handling and feel like they're one part with your body, so that I can, I'm not working to heave something around, because I do want to ride through twisty roads and stuff, but I want to do it effortlessly, and that's what I love about, street riding, is that just going out and finding twisty roads and enjoying that kind of dance with the bike and floating around. There was a moment I was riding the bike and it was in this twisty area and the bike just felt wonderful. And just for a moment then I went back and said, man, we really did a good job with this bike. This bike is probably the nicest motorcycle I've ever ridden, and it's really cool that I was part of that. I and the people working with it. It's like, we really did a good job. Riding a motorcycle is a very interesting thing, because especially, the way I like to ride is a lot about being very focused on one thing, which is, I'm part of this machine, I'm going down the road, I'm part of the environment, I'm vulnerable, but I'm independent, I'm free.